students, I hope your preparation is going good. If not, don't worry. Sri Gurukula is here to help you. And I am Anmol Yadav. I will be your physics and mathematics mentor. I am an NEET graduate. So bring out your books. Let's make your preparation stress-free. So next question is a differential equation of form dy by dx is equals to f of x comma y is said to be homogeneous if f of x comma y is a homogeneous function of degree. So the given equation is dy by dx is equals to f of x comma y, or in simple terms we can write it as y dash is equals to f of x comma y. So this is a homogeneous equation, means each and every term will have same degree. So degree of this term, degree of y dash is 1, implies degree of f of x comma y should also be 1. So if degree here is 1 and this entire equation is homogeneous, means this function should also have each and every term's degree should be 1, means this function is also homogeneous function with a degree 1. So correct option will be option A. I will be back soon. Till then, keep practicing. This is Anmol Yadav from Sri Gurukula signing off.